Yeah.
Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby? Can I?
Bring you to the 6 where I really stay.
Baby?
Show you why I am the way I am.
Can I?
Tell you what I think my biggest flaw is.
Baby?
I try to be consistent, but I can't.
Can I?
Have an honest moment with you right now.
Baby?
Tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Can I?
Get an honest answer from you right now.
Baby?
Cause all we ever talk about is me.
Can I? Before I turn the lights on.
Before I turn the lights out, tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Can I?
Call instead of text you on the hotline. Sometimes a nigga wanna hear your voice.
Can I?
See you right now, I know the sun is up.
Baby?
Sorry, I don't really have a choice.
Can I?
Ever make you feel like I'm down for you.
Baby?
You do so much more than that for me.
Can I?
Finally take the time and open up to you.
Baby?
Cause that's a side you never get to see.
Can I? Before I turn the lights on. One more time.
Before I turn the lights out, tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Can I? Baby? Can I? Before I turn the lights on. Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby? Can I? Before I turn the lights on.
Tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Can I? Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby? Can I? Before I turn the lights on. One more time.
Tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Before I turn the lights on.
Yeah, young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
I can't catch through the week. On the Tesla, I can't go to sleep. I covered up body with seeds. I'm copping the drip overseas. I like when she get on her knees. I'm rocking these Vito on jeans. I need me a fat ass to squeeze. I promise I look like a king. I told you we all by the cream. My bag is 100 or more. I got these cash over shows. Left the jacket, I hopped in the rose.
Ain't rockin' on SI2. My diamonds VVS. Ain't driving on CRV. My coupe is a GTS. All the hard times gave me strength. So I can carry on CRV. My coupe is a GTS. All the hard times gave me strength. So I can carry on. This money to the bank. Nobody help me, there's no one to thank. Now they watching the picture I paint. My plug always make sure I'm straight. Not every superhero got a cape. Smoking on backwards bad for me, but I don't want smoke on a vape. Yeah, I ain't healthy, but my pockets they in shape. Yeah, fucking all these hoes on tour and state to state. State to state. Laying by the pool, your girlfriend feeding me grapes. Feeding me grapes. Gotta keep it on me, I got a lot at stake. I was born with all this drip, I came out of faucet. When they put my bro in the chain gang, I almost lost it. So much jealousy and envy, gotta be cautious. I made some M's when I surrounded myself with bosses.
Got my Rolex flooded with flawless. Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm because sick. I pulled out the ladder and got my roof, thought I lost it. Lately no hate been come my way, think I dodged it. She called
But I don't like the way. Tell me I'm stuck all in my way. Till you I come running, you know that is nothing. Everything you do got me amazed. I just want all of your love. Never go all in because I'm scared to get my all to her. Falls on the edge, still no falling for her. And I know you be down for the ride. But when I'm gone, do you miss me or not? If I ever tell you I ain't love you, I was lying. If I ever tell you I ain't nothing, would you cry? Baby, would you die for me? For real. I'm a thug, so I gotta keep it still. Still around with the Drake, I got $1 million deals. I don't care what it ain't, baby, tell me what it is. And I know we need in the love. And I know we need in the trust. I know, yeah, I know, but still I want all of your love. Just give it all to me. I know it ain't no need to rush, but I don't like the way. I just want your love. I can't even function. They tell me I'm stuck all in my way. Till you I come running, you know that is nothing. Everything you do got me amazed. I just want all of your love. Just give it all to me. I know it ain't no need to rush, but I don't like the way. I just want your love. I can't even function. They tell me I'm stuck all in my way. Till you I come running, you know that is nothing. Everything you do got me amazed.
I just want all of your love. Fuck with the beam thing, with a green beam, fuck a red dot. I put you in bling bling, my phone rings, a headshot and I ain't never.
Fuck 5 minutes.
I'm ready for the pussy, spend the night in the pussy. I know what you like for the pussy, I like. Boy, you ain't her type, 'cause you
Got the mic. Mic check 1 2. Check 1 2. Babe, after you close that curtain, on your right hand side. Después quisiera esa cortina. Sí, por favor. Después. What it do, gang? What it do, Adrian? Tamilius, Rami, Tony, Organic Minds. What it do, gang? Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody? 4 minutes till pre-London session. Man, I've been seeing a whole bunch of people like for example, Luka No Limit. Luka No Limit's been on for a minute right now. I wonder why they got on so early if pre-London didn't even start, bruh. Trade Sharp be popping off, brother. We need to go and raid this guy one day. With the OGs in here, those y'all basically the OGs, the guys that are in here right now. We need to come raid this motherfucker one day. Is raiding disrespectful? Like, I'm not sure if that's a. I'm not trying to disrespect anybody. Is raiding disrespectful? Like, I'm not sure if that's a. I'm not trying to disrespect anybody. Boy, ugly as fuck though. All right. Now, I was wondering why everybody's on so early. Like, for example, Luka No Limit's also on. You see? Now, I was wondering why everybody's on so early. He is shit. Are you for real? He is shit. No way. How come he got 500 people though? Oh my God, Luka looks dead right now. How come he got 500 people though? Oh my God, Luka looks dead right now. NLT gang for life. Bam. Boys, banger called out on the VIP yesterday for New York session. 183,300 I think is where I called out price, but no, that doesn't really make sense. I think price was coming around from like right here. 183,300. Yes, this is where I caught it. 183,300 around here. This was GJ. Yep, this was around the time. I mean, I sent it. Let's check out the signals. Let's go to Pesos VIP signals. 183,300 around 7 a.m. So I'm not really sure where that was. I'm pretty sure that should be around like here, to be honest, but that doesn't say 7 a.m. right there. I don't really know, man, but I sent a 183,300 and we got into the trade within like fucking, I guess like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Shit flew. Hit our take profit, hit a little bit, 10 pips past our take profit, and then for the rest of the session it started coming down. Rami, I trust you because you know like a lot about trading, so you're not easily fooled. For real? What do you guys? What does the chat have to say about Trader Sharp? Trader Sharp. I mean, honestly, what I've seen is that the dude's very consistent with at least getting on goddamn live stream. Something that I wish I had. Dude does not miss a fucking day. Or am I wrong about that? Or am I just fucking making that up in my head? Boys, are you guys looking at GJ right now? What I like about GJ is that it's around the same level it took long as yesterday. So anybody who was in the VIP, we had a whole bunch of people like the emoji. I wonder how many people actually took the trade. So start paying attention to the trades I send, boys. Guys, if I send a goddamn trade, it's as valuable as me taking the trade on live stream. I only take trades on live stream when I'm confident about the trade. When I send a trade, it's because I'm confident about it, you know. And if I lose, don't hate me, you know. Don't go full margin on it. You know, just because I'm confident doesn't mean I'm gonna win it, right? It just means that I'm ready to execute, and I'm seen it before. You know, at least trust the fact that I've seen it before and I've seen it play out. I'm not gonna hop us into a trade where I haven't seen it play out before. That won't make sense in my head. Don't talk down on him. Shake my head, boy. There's no rules when it comes to fucking with me. There's no rules with me. I'm just kidding. I mean, I never talk down on him, dude. I'm asking the people what they think. And they said that he sucks at scalping and he's FOMO, which is totally fine, you know. I mean, there was a time when everybody used to talk trash on Daniel Savage's live stream about his trading style. You know, there's gonna be a time when people start talking trash about my trading style. It doesn't really, you know. Stop the cancel culture, boys. Stop the cancel culture. Everybody should speak their mind freely. Rami's like, I unsubscribed. Oh, he's one of the ones that buys at resistance. Jesus. Rami, how you been doing, brother? What type of account are you trading right now? Alright, pre-London has started, boys. Pre-London session, it is 3 a.m. for me. This is typically when London session should be opening, but right now pre-London started. We have an hour till London opens. So trading with no volume, it's you know, there's a strategy to it. It changes from when there's actually pure price action. Hey, good morning. Where is Padas? I love how people wait for Padas. I wonder if you guys have experienced Padas on live stream. Like we used to go on these Zooms, and he used to talk and stuff. And man, he's just such a funny, dope kid. Rami, I'm good, brother. Just been away from trading since that shitty 9-to-5 job. Hey, man, people don't understand that you gotta keep the money coming in to be able to be successful in trading. Trading is not what brings in the money. You're supposed to bring in the money and then trade. So if you feel like you're not in the correct place, it's not, it's a current state that it's gonna teach you valuable things, and you're gonna be able to, everything happens for a reason, Rami. So just see it all as the journey. Enjoy the journey. Figure it out. We've all been there. Everyone who's at the top has been through the struggle, right? So when you're in the struggle, don't feel like you're lost, because the guy that actually made it was there in that same exact spot. Now's your chance. I see a nice continuation pattern forming. Yeah, I think that, I'm more bullish than bearish right now. I just wouldn't hop into buys with this fresh 4-hour candlestick. I see it showing. This is a bearish candlestick and this is a continuation candlestick, right? The wick fill already happened of this candlestick, but this is a continuation candlestick, boys. Just like this is a bearish candlestick, and then this is continuation. This is a bearish candlestick, and this is a continuation. So I wouldn't be surprised if this 4-hour candlestick flips bearish for any of you freaking gamblers out there ready to hop into some fucking sells as we speak. That is what I see, boys. That is what I see. It doesn't mean I'm going to hop into a trade. That's not my trading style. What I do, Domvo. What I do, Domvo. What I do, brother?
I've been scarred by your love, left my heart bleeding. My soul posted in the shadows with some dark demons. I'm on the E-way in a fast foreign car speeding. 223 spit out quick when that chopper ringing. We ain't never ducking beef, bitch, we not vegan. My little niggas bout that action, they be Glock squeezing. Red beams on his head, now his top leaking. I heard that boy got man down and not a ops grieving. I miss Mike Durb, I won't forget the things you used to say. My friends got killed on the same block. block where we used to play. I know that death come unexpected, you can't choose a day. I swear so many pills, she got me losing.
All right, boys. Well, up to the moment, we don't have enough price action to be really hopping into something aggressive on GJ. I mean, like I said, the only move that I personally see right now is some sells, and I don't want to go against price action. Hopping into buys with not enough momentum and actually keep on breaking these levels of resistance kind of scares me. I mean, we're in a huge range right now. What is the range? I mean, let's draw out some levels of resistance and support. I feel like I'm the live streamer that probably draws the least amount on this goddamn chart. Could you guys, anybody that watches multiple live streamers, confirm that? Like to catch me actually drawing a whole bunch of things and like, I mean, I break down the charts pretty consistently. I talk goddamn hell. It's not that I stay quiet. Just I don't use a whole bunch of, I mean I love doing it. I mean, I love these, like for example, these levels right here, they give me a lot of pleasure. But this is not much more drawings to go. I mean, I'm a person that reads the candlesticks. I read the price action. What do? I read what's happened previously in like my whole little setup. So like we're on the 30-minute time frame. So this is like the last goddamn 4 or 5 hours. This is what I need to be paying attention to, right? And after that, I'm paying attention to what the wicks are telling me, and candlestick per candlestick, because every candlestick has a story. Every candlestick tells you something, right? And then at the candlesticks together, it's like they're like pages of a story. And then eventually you start getting multiple candlesticks where you start getting a clear idea of what's happening, you know, towards the end of the story, and you start anticipating what happens towards the end of the story. And so like what we're seeing right here is level of support being formed, right? Support is being formed. 8 SMA is also being respected. We had a break and retest of this level of support, of this level of resistance that then became support, right? So you can see there's perfect confluence in this level right here. I'm drawing it out with that line. Hopefully it's nice and clear. Let me erase everything again. As well as we are seeing consistent wick rejections, as in this one right here. And then if we switch to a 1 hour time frame, we see that twice. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. We also find confluence, break, and retest of the SMA here, as in we broke the SMA, closed above it, started trading beneath it, retested, and now we're above it again, and then we retested it twice. So 2 wicks right here are telling me bullish price action, you know, so something tells me we could potentially break these highs. I don't really believe in no top wick, so it might flip. I don't really believe in that style of trading, so that's not what I'm looking for here. What I'm looking for is the hourly potentially, you know, coming to reach this 50 SMA, because remember, our SMAs are moving levels of support and resistance. Support and resistance act as magnets. So it's either we're bouncing to this magnet up here, or we're bouncing to this magnet down here, or we're staying on this magnet down here. These are the 3 levels of importance right now. We're either going from here to here, or from here to here. Very simple, right? There's not much more. There's nowhere else to go. I mean, just multiple time frames are telling me 4 hour time frame still has momentum left in it. I mean, I see this more as a continuation candlestick to the downside. Nonetheless, this 4 hour candlestick is wick filling to the left. It's above the 8 SMA. The 50 SMA is beneath everything, still telling us, you know, higher, you know, overall higher time frame is bullish. I just wouldn't be looking for sells right now. It's not my style. I think it's a little bit aggressive, and taking buys right now with no volume, it's ballsy. I see why it's a valid buy. I think that I just rather wait for more people to hop onto the live stream, whilst to wait for perfect price action instead of us just putting a trade and then having to wait for it. Kind of, I think we could find a better setup. It's a good setup, but I think we could find a better setup. That's the best way to put it. You know, it's a good setup. It's not a bad setup. It's a good setup. I think we could find a better setup. It's also towards the bottom of resistance. So when we talk about basic, simple trading in a range, buy when price is falling, when it's at support, buy low, sell high. You feel me? When we're up here, we sell. When we're down here, we buy. We're closer towards support, so I like buyers more than sellers as well. Today's a Bank of Japan holiday. Yeah, but today's also NFP. And today's also, you know, and yen doesn't even move that much anyways. What we trade the GBPJPY for is the fucking pound. But thank you for that information, brother. Really appreciate it. Thank you for that information. Really appreciate it. TFT, the funded trader. The funded trader. Good prop firm. All my life, they've been trying to keep me down. All this time, I decided I had to fit it. The media called me a minute. Do you trade gold or just GJ? I trade gold consistently. I trade gold whenever I see price action moving pretty decent. I like gold longs right now, high key. Why? I mean, we have our SMAs in our favor. I see higher levels of support being formed. High key, I might fucking send a little gold signal. Dude, we might take a little gold trade right now. This doesn't look bad at all. I feel like I'm not going to end up taking this trade if I don't take it right now with you guys. And I feel like if I just leave this on the chart, it's going to be one of those typical days. If you guys have been here multiple times, you guys have seen when I just leave a trade like this and then we end up going into GJ. Fucking 5 hours later, we're in drawdown, you know, making our way towards break even. We come back, look at the trade that I would have fucking hopped into, and this thing's like a goddamn TP3. Should we take this gold long, brother? As it's falling, it looks even better. You know, the second it starts touching this 8 SME, what we see is higher levels of support being formed, right? We had a little bit of like our down channel, we had our side channel, now we're forming a little bit of an up channel. So we have that as well as, you know, just this. Oh, but this looks like a huge head and shoulders. This could be the beginning of the end. The beginning of the end is the worst place to be in the trade. Makes you feel like you fucking suck. Makes you feel like everything you do is just the opposite. Is Marcus here? Who was it, Marcus? Marcus the other day was like, yo, bro, why the fuck I keep popping into trades and just the opposite happens? Man. Here on live stream, make sure you guys come and join. We're here early pre-London session. London opens in about like 30 minutes, so make sure you guys make it, boys. Here on live stream, make sure you guys come and join. Oh, I hate hearing my voice, boys. Imagine having to record so much content. Imagine having to record all these videos, be on live stream. You hate hearing your own voice recorded. Shit's torture. I would torture myself with my own voice if I was. What did I have to do? Oh, put the link. Link. 1 second, boys. Anybody in any trades right now? GJ buy? Question mark. Yes, I think potentially GJ buys. I want to be taking sells, and we're at a better. This is more of a buy level than a sell level. No, I just don't think I want to execute right away, boys. I'd rather be a little bit patient. The last few streams we've been very aggressive. It's worked out. What's up with the track record for this month? I need to bring that bitch out. Let's see how we've been doing this month. Boys, we got 11 likes. If you guys are in the stream right now, please like up the stream. Let's like up the stream. Let's try to get to 150 likes and we do a 5K giveaway. We got 2 5K account giveaways if we get to 150 likes. So we got a break-even trade, and I got to log yesterday's trade on for the signals. Yesterday was 11, 2. Oop. We caught a GJ banger. A buy. 183. 300.
On the block, sister know they never gotta get a job. Brody said he rather spend shit and rob. Damn, dog. He ain't playing, dog. That's your plan, dog. That's your man, dog. Fuck both of them, I want them all.
7, since it at 7. What the?
I've been good, so I'm guessing it's payback. Smoking woods in the back of the Maybach. I'm the hero, so they gotta face that. Hit the earth, what the fuck is my K-back? I'm on the other one.
Don't do that. Oh my god. We'll just leave it at that for now. Alright. Wow, GJ. More wick rejections to the top side. Now we're at resistance. Now this is a very important level. We want to see what happens here. Whether they're going to, flush down or flush up. Most likely flush up. Not many pips, but probably to the top of this resistance right here. That's potentially what I see happening. Anybody in any buys right now? What it do? What it do, Icy? Yo, you're still waiting for that Boast Lifestyle hoodie drop. They're going down in 4 or 6 months. Hey man, TFT is gonna be the only prop. Fuck! Are you kidding me? Hey man, TFT is gonna be the only prop. Fuck! Are you kidding me? Are you guys kidding me, bruh? Why is it? Are you guys kidding me, bruh? Why is it? This thing better come back right now. Osprey FX, bruh. AJ, you being brainwashed by I don't know who, but I promise you, top tier is definitely not even close to being the best prop firm. Where you and like, there's probably other people here are just like, there's people that are in the bubble of only knowing that Mamba and Swaggy are their mentors, and they think that their prop firms are the best. You are probably in the bubble of thinking like, oh, well, you know, like there's Lambo Raul, there's Daniel Savage, and there's Q, and then you're like, oh, the best one out of all of them is Q, and Q's is like I promise you, if you know the guy, the owner of the goddamn prop firm, that prop firm is probably ass. You know? This one that got fucking taken down a month ago, 2 months ago, whatever, 4 months ago, the one that took 200K with me and $8,000 of mine. Those motherfuckers, you know who the owner is. People, you know, people are known who the owner is, and when you know the owner, it's because it's not big company. It's not like I don't even know how to explain it, but just statistically, when people know the owner, shit goes down. Statistically, when people know the owner, shit goes down. Top tier was one of the first. You know why top tier at one point they didn't allow you to use MetaTrader? Because top tier was the one that was fucking people, like fucking with slippages and doing a whole bunch of dirty shit. When this other company went down that I forgot their goddamn name, they had to fucking switch their whole system around, and they started, you know, they got worried and they switched the whole system around, and I don't know what the fuck they did, and then they weren't allowing people to actually use MetaTrader, and they were making people download a whole new platform to fucking take trades, and then eventually they figured out how to link it to like an MT4. But like, they're the first ones that like started fucking panicking when the whole thing happened with this the Forex. What's the fucking company that went down right now? How come I can't remember their name? So I don't trust those motherfuckers at all. It's like everybody, my Forex funds, there you go. It's like everybody else has like a certain list of parameters that allows them to do certain things with MT4, etc, etc, etc. And out of nowhere, there's one motherfucker that doesn't allow you to do it. And you think it's because that motherfucker is the only one that's fucking being honest? You think that he's the one? I mean, I guess it could be. Maybe I'm just a little bit too skeptical. Bruh, this thing did not come back. This thing's not coming back. This 17,500. I mean, we're down fucking 10 pips already. This already would have been fuck. I'm getting a little bit stressed out. I hope this comes back right now. The FOMO. Boys, why did I fucking tell you that this was the trade that's gonna hit out of everything? I mean, I really was just hesitating on the execution. Kind of like I just wasn't focused enough, maybe to say. Like I wasn't like, oh, this is the time, this is the time, this is the time. I was hoping a little bit more of a retracement, maybe. I'm fucked. Told you, boys. It's the ones that we don't take are the ones that fly. More opportunities will come. You're 100% right. No stress off. And it's not that I'm actually stressed out. I'm gonna actually do something stupid. It's just more of a expressing micro thoughts to keep you guys with more micro thoughts. Fuck. Drawing on every goddamn chart. Fuck is this? Alright, took the 4 hour. We have 40 minutes till London Open. Our 4 hour candlestick, man, honestly, this thing looks like it's gonna flip bearish. And if this 4 hour candlestick flips bearish, this could be a great target. How many pips away is that? 16 pips. So maybe we could have like a 20 pip target, 20 pip stop loss? 20 pip target, 20 pip stop loss if this flips bearish. But then that's us buying at the low. So, how can we go about this strategy? This is the flip of the 4 hour. Very soon, maybe a little break and retest of this level. We get a break and retest of this level. I'll try to snipe it to the downside. But regardless, higher levels of support have been formed. We've seen wick rejections coming from this area. If we hop in a sell, it's going to be a short sell. I ain't going to be holding that for too long. Make sense? Boys, I bought this watch on stream with y'all. You see candlesticks through it. Shit's magic. But yeah, I was like, yo, you're so right. Whoever told me that this watch is god tier, I was like, you know what, this motherfucker's so right. I'm buying this shit right now. And it got here today and I haven't stopped wearing it. Probably my new favorite watch. It got a little light and everything. You press it, it lights up. Oh. Oh. Looks clean. I know it looks clean, boy. Stop playing with the kid. Woo. Yes, sir. Hey, honestly, super comfortable as well, brother. Super comfortable. Big fan. Big drip. About to get like an Omega Moon swatch. Good morning, Arnold. How's everything, brother? Good morning, Arnold. Oh! Boys. Oh! It's funny how I emphasized right when we got to this pair. I emphasized that this is the trade of the night that's gonna hit. It didn't even fucking pass like 5 minutes. Like it just, yo, come back. Please come back. Come home, Perry. Come home, Perry. Come home. Y'all know that song? Oh, I'm screaming twice? Damn, I gotta mute my shit. Yeah, just nobody, wow, can't believe somebody just barely noticed. I had my other stream, oh. BAM! There, screams and I'm only screaming once. Dude, this is just the easiest candles. This is like the 90% probability trade whenever just higher levels of support are being formed, raising above the 8 SMA. Did anybody take this trade when I was calling it out? Or nobody took this trade besides goddamn faded? No losses for the month. We're clean this month, boys. We're clean, clean, clean. The month just started, but you still gotta ride the momentum. Call it how it is, brother. We're clean. 0 losses, 100% win rate right now. MT5, brother. And I mean, I wouldn't tell you. I mean, I don't even know, dude. Charge it to the game. That's it. I charge the slippage to the game. Chat's quiet today. I'm pretty sure everyone's very focused. It's Friday. It's NFP, boys. Y'all got that? Y'all got that clear? It's NFP. Wait, is it NFP? Is it NFP? What day is it today? Oof, I thought it was Thursday real quick. And it's the first Friday of the month. Isn't it NFP today, boys? Yeah, right here. Ooh, yo, yo. Buena, buena, Daniel. Come back. I don't even know if I'd take this trade if it comes back. Honestly, I'm just looking at it to just fucking... Ooh, GG's going. Alright. 30 minutes to London Open, boys. I mean... I don't think there's enough momentum for this thing to sell through fucking these levels of support here, boys. I think we need to fucking anticipate these SMAs flipping and this just flying and then this being like the double bottom. Noob, y'all know that I don't really like trading the noob setup with the double bottom, but... Sometimes you got, yo, that gold trade, dude. It would have been so simple to just get everybody in this trade and then just walk out right after. Would have been so simple. When you get psychology down, so the easiest thing to get down is price action. I think, I don't know what's the hardest thing to get down, whether that's psychology. Because I don't suffer psychology problems, right? I feel them, I feel them just as much as you guys do. I still hop in a trade and go, wow, that could have been a 30 lot. Wow, that could have been a fucking, I mean, I throw consistently 15, 20 lots, so 30, it could have been 40 lot. I know how to handle those emotions. That's the difference. So, but what I do face, what I do think that trading comes down to is a lot of, and this is the thing that I always say that I always praise Dollar over, that he has great motherfucking execution, right? Execution doesn't talk about winning trades or losing trades, doesn't talk about strategy, just talks about, like, it's like a mix of like the confidence with like the just knowing it's that right moment. The execution just speaks for itself. And one of the best executors when it comes to trading by far, I think is by far anybody that destroys everybody is Dr. Dollar. Dr. Dollar's execution by far is the best. On a whole different level, the best compared to everybody. Maybe Q Banks is also up there. I've seen the way he executes. I just haven't seen enough. But I've seen many traders trade live, seen it over many years, and that dude just, I don't know if you guys just know what I mean. The execution is there, and what I lack in, I think the most is my execution. I feel like if I had the execution that he had, goddamn, I'll be fucking flipping accounts like if I was a goddamn printer. Faded, yeah, I learned a lot from him. He learned a lot from me. He's a sniper too. Hey, man. GG about to go, what? Let me see. Wow, flipped bullish. I wonder if it even has enough volume to break out of this little range that it's in. This mini range. It being level of support right here. Oop. Get this shit out of here. Oh, the Nifty? Y'all boys been looking at the Nifty 50 lately? I'm not sure about his execution. He has great risk management though. If anything, I'm not sure about the risk management. If anything, I'm sure about the execution. And like I said, execution has nothing to do with whether you're hitting winning trades or not. It's more about finding those positions and confidently getting in them, giving them a chance. That makes any sense? Like, consistently. Like, often I find myself looking at the market and really just not. And I could guess the opportunity many times, right? I just don't get in it. Like, for example, this long, or for example, the last gold push. You know, like I could get myself into these positions, I just don't. Now, I haven't really tested this, like, see if this is like in my favor of strategy. I don't really know. Check the track record. It speaks for itself. We're 100% this month, boys. Haven't lost. Hey, man. I use the statistics in my favor to call it how I see it. Donvo LMNO. You son of Donvo? LMNO. I think M goes before N. So if anything, he's Donvo's daddy. That's Donvo's daddy. Sometimes I miss trades too. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, I could identify it. Nothing, we're being transparent here. Nothing to hide, boys. Y'all see it every single day. We got Daddy Donvo in the house. That's double D. And I'm Duncan. So that's triple D. Damn. Damn. Anybody in this GJ long right now, boys? Is there nobody in any trades? We got 70 people in the chat. You gonna tell me that we got 70 people here just watching, nobody in a goddamn trade? Well, we got a room full of fucking watchers, window shoppers, no goddamn actually executors in here. Fuck y'all doing? GJ's flying, boys. Good morning. London session, 30 minutes to London session. We're about to get a 30-minute candlestick closure. So, man, I emphasize, and that is something that I teach all the time, is how candlesticks move towards their true, listen to me closely, boys, how candlesticks, whether that's a 10-minute candlestick, 5-minute candlestick, 1-hour candlestick, 4-hour candlestick, candlesticks will show their true direction towards the end of their closing. What does that mean? Towards the last 10% of its life, towards the last 5% of its life. So that means if it's an hour, if it's a fucking 4-hour candlestick, maybe towards the last 20 minutes, 10 minutes. If it's a 1-hour candlestick, towards the last 5-10 minutes. You start seeing the true direction of where that candlestick wants to go. For example, for this 30-minute candlestick, it's been open for 30. Oh, this is gonna fly right now. This new candlestick with no bottom wick, or even a minute bottom wick, this thing's about to fly right now. I'm telling you, this thing's about to go. That's if something flies to resistance that strong, don't be the guy trying to go and be like, oh, hit resistance, take sell. No, bro, it fucking just flew to that resistance, and it needs to pass through. This is like where it needs to pass through this resistance to be able to go to where it wants to go to, and it clearly wants to go up. Even if it goes down here, I'm so sure this is going to flip to the top side. So like I was saying, towards the end of a candlestick is where you're going to see its true direction, right? This candlestick was trading low for a while, trading around this area. Last 2 minutes of the 30-minute candlestick, this thing just flips and goes bullish, right? It's catching liquidity. Every candlestick is trying to catch liquidity on its own, right? So you know, when you see a candlestick, and you have to take it when you see a candlestick and it's bullish or bearish, take into account when that candlestick opened and when it's going to close. Very important to look at, boys. You know, that's one of the things that for a long time when I started trading, I wouldn't pay attention to as much, and I'd always be like, wait, everyone's always talking about the time of the candlestick, and I'm like, and then I started paying attention more and applying, you know, why we pay attention to the time of the candlestick, because we see if, like, imagine a candlestick is super bullish right now. Imagine this candlestick was fresh, right? Forget what's happening right here. Imagine this candlestick was fresh, new 30-minute candlestick, and it's this bullish. At one point, you're thinking, damn, it's been 1 minute, and this 30-minute candlestick has gone up this much. Does this mean that it's gonna just rally for for the next 29 minutes? Or is this candlestick just going to come back down and that was a little wick? And you start being like, all right, when's the last time a candlestick just rallied through GG like that? You're like, obviously it's probably just going to come down. That was just momentum. And you start painting more of a picture, how seeing like literally what we call price action, boys, paying attention to the candlestick openings and closings and what they're doing during that, you know, during the time that they're open, whether that's the 4-hour candlestick. We're looking at the 4-hour candlestick. We're saying, hey, it looked like it was going to flip bearish. You know, it's coming off of bearish price action, having the previous 4-hour bearish, but we just barely flipped very strong aggressively to the top side. So unless we reverse exactly what we just flipped, we're most likely going to continue now to this level of resistance right here. Why? Because it's just basic price action knowledge, you know, higher probability. There's no reason for us to come from flipping bearish to then just randomly go up another fucking 15-20 pips, and then like the confirmation for us going bearish would be us reversing what we just barely flew. You know what I mean? Like, so right now I'm convinced, I'm getting more convinced that we're bullish. Does that mean I'm going to hop into the trade? No, I need to wait for a correct level of support to be able to form. You understand, boys? So what am I going to wait for? Maybe another wick rejection like this. Maybe price action comes down aggressively and makes people think that we're actually going to recover everything that we just flew. And then I know where we leave another wick. Man, this 30-minute candlestick has so much life in it. This 30-minute candlestick can make it all the way down here and then just flip out of nowhere. And then we have another wick. And then it's just wicks, 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 which is usually what we see whenever, like, for example, like this. So then wick, wick, and then we fly, you know? It's possibly what we're going to see right here. That's hopefully what we see. I'll probably hop in if this 30-minute candlestick comes down and starts respecting this 8 SMA. It'll make me want to think that it's going to flip bullish by the end of its life. Congrats on the 3K subs, boys. If you guys are here and you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys click on the subscription, post notifications, little bell next to the subscribe button. Make sure you guys subscribe to be live stream every single day, all London session. Discord, yes, thank you AJ also for the congratulations, and thank you to Milius for all the links. Boys, starting next week as well, we're going to start making sure that we do 1 minimum, maximum 3. It's probably going to be 1 to 2. It's probably going to be 2 a week. It's probably going to be like on Fridays, and then maybe like on a Wednesday or a Thursday. Most likely every single Friday. So every single Friday with the VIP, we're going to be going live. London session and New York session, and then we're gonna assure once a week, and then just as many times as possible, but assured once a week on Friday. So we're gonna be going back to the Zoom live streams with the VIP. Right now, the live VIP includes my trades, Miguel's trades, And look how that candlestick's flipping bullish. How I just told you guys it was gonna fucking flip bullish and fly. I mean, I told you that candlestick's gonna break new levels. Came up with too much momentum to the resistance. So the VIP that right now costs only $50 goddamn dollars. It costs less than the goddamn dinner that you do to take your fucking girlfriend out. $50. It comes with my signals, Miguel's signals, and as well as our bot's signals. Our bot that is, man, such a high value bot and is actually in this buy right now as we speak. So if you guys are getting your challenge passed, and if you guys are in the signals, thank you guys for not exposing the trade, and you guys are in buys right now. Congratulations, boys. Goddamn. Ooh! So yeah, that's the VIP. If you guys want to join the VIP and check out the VIP, you guys could just look at the link that was just barely sent to the comment section. Yeah, boys. I mean, every live stream, if anybody's new here, we catch one trade a stream. So if you guys have noticed we are not in a trade, you guys will notice when we're in a trade or after we're in a trade. But if you guys are here, it's because we're not in a trade. And that is good. That means you guys are early. We are just waiting for, you know, a correct setup. I hate hopping into trades when I really truthfully don't believe in the setup. A lot of times we come to the live stream and we don't hop into a trade is due to the fact that I really just don't want to take a trade with you guys if I don't believe in it. I'm putting my money behind it. A lot of other people's money behind it. I'm coming on live stream just to share my trade. It's not because I'm trying to give you guys a trade. I'm just sharing my trade. You know, I'm trying to do something on my own. You guys can follow along, do what you guys want to do. Lose with me, win with me. It's totally fine. Talk shit about the trade. Usually makes it hit. I don't know. I lost my train of thought. I need more caffeine. Let's go look at gold. I have a Celsius. It's running out. Bro, you are spitting bars low key, boy. That's what I do. We from Florida. Stop playing. Should download Zoom, I guess. Arnold, download that goddamn Zoom. Zoom. I told you it was coming down, but you were in GJ. God damn it. I did notice it come down and then my ass didn't hop in it. I mean, this is similar to gold, boys. It's just higher levels of support being formed. I mean, this is the, all right, for anybody, this is, I mean, you guys are not gonna guess the name correct, but this is like a ripple fib right here, boys. This is a ripple fib. Ripple fibs happening on ripple fibs, and it's just whenever you have like a certain level of support like this, right, resistance, and then you have price action, just like accumulating higher levels of support, but still respecting that resistance. Let me draw it a little bit better right here. Maybe I could do a better job. It's like, you know, higher levels of support being formed, pretty much the same resistance, higher levels of support being formed, pretty much the same resistance that's being held here. And it's a ripple fib. It just means we could have a huge rejection to the downside, you know, that happens, and then out of nowhere it flies, but this is just bound to explode. It's the same thing that happened here on gold, just on a smaller time frame, right? Let me go to the 5 minute and you guys see what I'm talking about. I mean, it doesn't look as clean. This is the resistance right here that I'm talking about. This resistance that got tapped, came down, higher level support, got tapped, 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 higher level support, and then we're potentially going to explode past it, right? It's like a ripple fib effect. I don't really know what I want to call it. I'm assuming going to give it a name, fucking put it on my course and, you know, brand trademark it, but it's an easy identifiable pattern. It just, man, it's such a high probability setup as well for buys, obviously. Happy to see the community growing, boys. Please, once you open gold, do analysis. I'll do a little gold analysis right now. I mean, I already did an analysis, which was, I mean, we have to look at what's happening right here with price action, and we see clear that, man, we're in a side channel, right? We're in a range. So when we're in a range, what are we looking for? Support and resistance, right? We're gonna keep it simple. We're in a range. Buy at support, sell at resistance, right? Simple. So, I mean, the one thing that I'm looking at here is that this 8 SMA is a level of support. This 50 SMA is a level of support. And, I mean, we've been holding this level of support since Asian session. As well as, I mean, if I were to even notice it, I mean, this isn't something I'm pointing out now after the fact. This is our level of support. This right here just is a little bit of a liquidity grab. We have a little, that's a liquidity grab right there, right? We had a range, traded beneath the range, came back into the range, started ranging again, right? After that, we had our impulse correction. And I mean, once this got broken, once this high got broken right here, and we see that we're above our, I mean, this is just clear price action, boys. We're trading above our 8 SMA. It's just a simple, just, and it's one of those continuation trades, boys, where it's like, it's not going to come back enough where you're going to be able to hop in and see it clearly. It's just like, you got to trust it. And I mean, there was like a trade that we took like on Monday, maybe, that we caught the whole GJ long. If anybody was here on Monday and we was here when we caught that GJ long that went up like 160 pips, we hopped into it while it was already going up, and somebody was like, hey, but you don't buy at resistance. And I was like, I mean, I said, the strategy, boys, there's not always one. I don't only trade one strategy. I mean, the strategy changes. There's multiple trading strategies, and when price is rallying and riding momentum like that, riding the 8 SMA, you have to ride what price action is telling you. I'm not going to guess randomly that there's going to be a red candlestick right here just because we're at resistance and your freaking RSI is getting hit. Price, you know, the pattern is saying we're going up. We're forming higher levels of support. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Try to catch a higher low and predict another higher high. We've been making them for the last like 40 candlesticks. Why do you think that it's going to just stop out of nowhere? Ride the momentum. Ride what the candlesticks are telling you. Take your chance. Take your probability. Even if you lose, if you're in the higher probability chance trade, it's a W. I don't know if you guys understand that. Like, I always tell you guys, I'm going to hop into this trade because it's the higher probability chance trade. I don't know if you guys are new. If you guys are new here, you guys don't know what I'm talking about, but you guys are, you know, been coming here, you guys always know what I'm saying. When I'm in the higher probability chance trade, I say, hey, there's a probability for longs and there's a probability for shorts. I'm like, maybe I'm on GJ and I tell you, hey, GJ's price action has been bullish this whole week. My higher probability trade right now with the SMAs beneath us and with the support is longs. I see why we could be short. Nonetheless, I think the higher probability trade is longs, and that's why we're going to take it, you know. And then, you know, even if we do lose, if we know that we're on the high probability setup, I want to put myself in the high probability setup as many times as I can, because being consistent with my risk management and putting myself in the high probability setup as many times as I see it is what's going to make me a profitable trader. You know, you bailing out of the setup that's actually valid and a high probability. If you see a high probability setup and you don't take it, and I don't know where it hits, and I don't know where you see it again the next day, and then you take it and then it doesn't hit, you're gonna screw your psychology up. You're not gonna know when to take it. You're gonna be down on yourself. You gotta. It's like when you play. I always use this example. It's like when you play blackjack and they tell you gotta hit at 16 when the dealer has goddamn 18. You just have to. You can't just be like, oh, this time I feel like I'm gonna bust and I feel like he's gonna bust. No, like the profitable strategy says you got to hit it. Don't fucking be like, oh, I'm gonna get a 5 right now and he's gonna get a fucking 10. No, most likely, if he's showing you an 8, he goddamn has 18. And you got 16, you gotta goddamn hit that shit no matter what. Feel me? Even if you feel like you're gonna lose your money instantly, hit it. You feel me? Imagine, you know, like it's that for any of you blackjack players, it's that concept right there. That's the same that's applied into trading. It's about finding your odd and having to use that odd into your favor as many times, every time. And if that odd is actually a good favor, you know, statistically, you manage risk correctly, you should be able to be profitable at the end of the whole session. The end of the week, at the end of the month. GJ's setting up for us, boys. High key, I'm getting nervous because GJ's setting up for us and I'm here talking shit about, hey, this is a valid setup. You got to take the valid setup. Motherfucker, the valid setup is popping up right now as we speak, boys. I think I'm going to have to just take it. But that's embarrassing losing it if I just... Let's be patient, boys. Let's wait for a candlestick closure. We have a 15-minute candlestick about to close in 2 minutes. Coming to the downside, man. I'm scared there's gonna be another wick rejection. Like, this looks so fucking snipery. Like, imagine we catch it right here, and then I know it just leaves a wick rejection again, and then it just flies. Wick rejection, fly. Ooh, price action's picking up. I love it. Oh, my back hurts, boys. I started stretching that bitch more. Losses are a business expense when you take a good trade. Yeah, they're also learning lessons. They're, I don't know, a little humbler downers, bring you back to earthers. Fuck is happening with this price action? I feel like a new candlestick is gonna. I feel like this candlestick is gonna close right here where it is right now. Oh, boy, what the hell am I doing? I ain't trying to back test. Stop that bullshit. Ooh, all pairs showing a little bit of a struggle. All right, chat. How many likes do we got right now, boys? I can't really see it right now. How many likes do we got? If you guys have not liked the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream. Help support your boy. Help the channel grow. Help the algorithm. It helps the algorithm. So help us with the algorithm. The algorithm don't like me no more. Boy, I was looking at old streams and we were hitting 200 every single day consistently, and this shit just, I wonder what happened. The Matrix is out to get me, boys. Maybe it was all that music I've been playing. Maybe it's because I play music. I feel like the music is what creates the vibe on the stream, though. Sometimes we out here just vibing out. Goddamn, about to do a karaoke night. Oh, this is just ugly. I wonder if this is like a weird ass Head and Shoulders. I doubt it. I don't know what we're looking at right now. New 15-minute candlestick just opened. New 15-minute candlestick looks like it wants to die due to the fact that that ended, you know, breaking the support and closing super engulfing. I don't even know. But then you go out to the higher time frames and it just looks like a minor pullback. Confusing. Nonetheless, patience is paying off right now due to the fact that price is not left without us. So if anything, we were doing great by being patient. Boys, I'm so happy with this little gem on me. Man, I'm about to go to sleep with it. I'm about to shower with it. About to wank with it. About to do everything with it. I just sat with the mayors and politicians, and I'm trying to change the image. I'm the voice. Ooh, I got a yawn. All right, I'm gonna go away. Yawn. Oh, look at gold. Damn, are we should we be taking our buy right now, boys? Oof, I'm kind of high key. We should be taking our buy right now. High key, we should have taken our buy already. Fuck. No way, dude. You just gotta be. That's why you gotta pay attention to one pair only. This would have been an amazing entry. God damn it. I think this just assures me more that this thing's gonna fly. I'm so sure this thing's gonna fly. Wow. And it's flying. I knew it was gonna fly. It just... I'm getting upset now. Nah. Oh, I'm not upset anymore. What the fuck's happening right now? High key, this thing's going down now. This thing looks like it's going down. Oh, thank God I ended the trade. Oh! So... if we believe that GJ is going to go long tonight, we should start hopping in GJ longs, 30 pip stop loss. If our stop loss gets hit, it's most likely because our bias is wrong. If our bias is correct, we most likely are not going to get stopped out of 30 pips. And we're most likely going to be able to catch maybe 60, maybe 90, even 100 plus pips. Coming down with this much momentum and hopping into a trade is ridiculous. You see the momentum. The candlestick looks very fresh. It looks like it still has levels to come down. I'm going to wait for it to start engulfing the spread SMA. Maybe potentially start looking like it wants to. Maybe potentially even break all of these lows. Then we catch it. You know? Maybe around some level down here. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for it to come down. I'm going to come down, baby. Sellers, hop into this thing. Make it come down. Drop, bitch. Drop and give me 30.
Vans out and moved to Oklahoma and just lived in my aunt's house. Yeah, I romanced the thought of leaving it all behind. Kanye step away from the lime lights like when I was on the grind in the 1999. Before model chicks was bending over, or dealerships as we been a rover. Man, if I could just get one beat on Hover, we could get up off the cheap ass sofa. What the summer of the shot got the all.
Damn, I'm getting tempted to hop in now, dude. I'm so tempted to hop in now. Ah! This would have been such a grab. Is that honestly this? I don't even know. Hop in GG buys right now because I did. That's tempting. I think I might sell now. Yo, can y'all let me know when the music stops? Everybody remember, somebody remember Juan D trades by AJ, Paul, somebody Rami. Make sure you guys let me know when the music stops so I can put another song, because another song's not gonna play automatically. London Open is 10 minutes away, boys. We thought we'd never see the day of light. Thank you, AJ, so much for sending the stream as always, brother. You are such a good guy. I'd be surprised if this candlestick right now goes up. I think GG needs to come down a little bit more. Oof. Gold's coming down. Man, I don't even know. Now I'm not gonna look at gold anymore. Gold looks like a pure FOMO. Looks like I'm gonna get clapped in gold right now. Maybe Euro JPY. This is Euro dollar. Euro dollar looks so ugly to trade right now. It's just not even trending. It's just not even moving. British CAD. All right, pound just suffered a dramatic drop. GBPCHF looks like it's gonna rally. UJ looks like this is a beautiful wedge about to play out. Descending wedge, 90% rule. If it does a break and retest 90% of the time, you are going to come and reach the top of market structure being right there. That is what the 90% rule says. UCAD looks like it needs to melt even more. This looks like we're out to take a buy. Then I'll probably get clapped for doing so. You know what I mean? Aussie swoosh. Oh, look, Ripple. Oh, my drawing is just off right now. Resistance. Higher level support. Higher level support. Higher level support. Same resistance, same resistance, same resistance. Pop goes the weasel. Stop playing with the kid. Bearish markets due to NFP. Potentially, boys. Potentially, we've been rallying this week maybe a little bit, and everything just needs to get corrected, and we're gonna be where we began on the week. So today's Friday, so also make sure you guys are paying attention to your weekly candlestick, boys. Let's see what this weekly candlestick is gonna do. Imagine this weekly GJ candlestick just comes back down to this resistance right here. That's the bearish target right now. The bearish target right now would be this resistance right here. This is where the last 2 weeks closed, and the last 2 weeks left a wick. So left a wick, closed. Left a wick, closed. Left a wick, close. Everything's closing at this level right here. If we melt, most likely we're gonna come back down to the 182,800, which is literally 60 fucking pips away. So high key, we might be coming down, boys. Look at this weekly candlestick chart. A little head and shoulders, looking like a little alien with arms. Oh wait, the head was up here. This is stomach. I don't even know what the hell I'm drawing now. All right, let's start indicating the weekly bearish flip. I mean, no, what the fuck? Crazy. Weekly, I mean, this is the first magnet level. Strong, I mean, sells target. Babe, is there more of that green sauce you got? A little taquito wouldn't hurt. You know what I mean? This is where I'm going to take my... I don't know what I would do here. You ordered food? What'd you get? What? Did you get coffee?
No.
Thank you. I'm in a 5-lot GU cell. Nice. Faded. Said LMAO. Not really. I forgot what the hell I said recently. Oh, I didn't put another song, boys. I told you guys to let me know when the music stopped. Definitely the worst thing to do is be in my stream while there's no music. I think my voice is just a little bit too obnoxious to be fucking just listening to me talk. Probably brain will probably explode. It's like most people's live streams, you could probably leave to the side and look at your charts only. I think that if you like leave my stream to the side, you probably walk into another room and somebody will be like, yo, what the fuck? Who the fuck's talking so much, yo? Who the fuck? You're like, who the fuck? What song is that, dude? Is that like fucking Eminem? Oh, the alien drawing? Bruh. This one kind of looks like a... This formation right here reminds me of the rhinoceros. Feel me? Boys, every time I see somebody who's like an artist and they draw some shit, every time I look at it, I'm so impressed by it. It could be the most simplest thing. Just my fucking drawing skills are just beneath ADD level, missing chromosome level. Just, they're horrible, brother. My drawing skills are really bad. I got zero artistic in me to be able to, like, I don't know, like, you tell me to draw somebody, I'm gonna draw a little stick figure, brother. I'm gonna draw a little stick figure. That's as far as I could go. I think I was taught one thing in art, and that's like how to draw a face. And they like taught me the first thing is like, you draw like this little line right here in the middle, and this one in the middle. And they say that you gotta put the eyes. And once they told me to put the eyes in the middle of the head, I was like, bruh, are you crazy? And then I guess like it made more sense later on when I saw everybody else do it, or like I saw a professional do it. But I used to, my eyes supposed to be up here, bro. What looks better? You know, this guy got like nice hair and shit. Gotta look like George Washington with that haircut. Oh, high key, that kind of does look like me. And then this one's kind of like I don't know, this one looks like it's a fucking mummy or some shit. Looks a little too serious. Yeah. It's like prissy boy hair. Damn, go get that shit. Imagine someone's hearing that's their first time watching. Yeah, this will be the last time watching. I guess it's fine. I'm fine. It's fucking fine. There's no good price action right now, boys. All right, London opens 2 minutes away. This actually looks like good rejections for buys on GJ. Or it's just going to close here. Next candlestick's going to come with a lot of momentum to the downside. We're going to wait for the next candlestick opening. It's the way trading is, boys. It's the patient game sometimes. I don't want it to be that way all the time. Nonetheless, nothing we can do about it. We have a 100% win rate for this month, boys. Nobody can talk to us. They're not on our level yet. Unless they have the 100% win rate for this month. I've been on this chair for too long.
I hope she can rate you. Yeah, I hope she can rate you.
She will.
And then I just solo llevar el part of stream on Wednesday. Escribirlo, mandarlo el domingo.
Now it's like where the upside down head and shoulders formation is about to play out. Potentially.
Que ella me responda y hace que me ponga buena nota. Me voy a sentir más tranquila. No have, it doesn't have to be 50, but at least 40.
Babe, she's gonna give you all the points. All of them. She's gonna give you all of them. All right, so what I like about the longs right now is that, man, we're retesting a level of resistance that's been, I mean, it's a significant level where we should see reaction. If we don't see a strong reaction to the downside, it's most likely because we're going to get the reaction to the upside, you know? Oh, shit, no music. Yo, y'all need to start telling me there's no music on the stream. La da da da, wait till I get my money right. La da 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 da. All right, London Open is here, boys. Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary on the boss tonight. And you don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real anymore? Bow in the presence of greatness. Cause right now that has forsaken us. You should be honored by my lateness. That I would even show up to this place. So go ahead, go nuts, go ace.
More like Kanye South. Sorry, Mr. West, I'm gone. Sorry, Mr. West is gone. Oof. All right, patience is paying off, boys. Maybe it's the sellers that are coming in. Anybody still in sells right now? Chat. I'm being tempted to take this buy high key. A little Bisky Rooney. A little Bisky Rooney won't hurt anybody. $20 pips in profit. Good shit, Rami. Great execution. Your break even, or your stop loss is about to be my take profit though, so get your ass ready, boy. Yeah, but you have to add an extra patty to make it triple. I swear. Why? Where you going? Where you going? You're scared of lizards? Who the hell's scared of lizards, man? You know when lizards bite, they just hang on to you? They just like, you know, chill with their mouth open on you. Who did that? Oof, we saved ourselves from gold. Gold Just a little bit of liquidity grab. Yeah, not too much volume yet for the London Open. Nonetheless, I feel like we're gonna have a good amount of volume. I mean, NFP boys, there's NFP, so we might have a little bit of choppy price action until New York session. That's what we get a lot of the time during NFP. NFP first Friday of every month, you know, for at 8:30 New York Open. You want to make sure that you have a stop loss placed, and you want to make sure it's not anywhere near your goddamn daily drawdown or just boys. If you're not treated NFP before, it's just wild, boy. It's the Wild West. It's fucking Las Vegas Center, Gambler Haven. I don't even know what I gotta say about that. It's just a lot to. There's a lot to process when it comes down to that shit. You can claim I come from the trenches. I trade Nasdaq mostly. Nasdaq is it's a consistent pair to trade. You know, there's a lot of clean price action, consistent price action, valid price action, something that we music. That's not what the fuck I clicked. I'm sorry, Mr. West is gone. Yo, I keep on clicking something and the wrong thing because I'm going out. Fuck. Do a giveaway, bro. Brothers. Y'all have been watching, know that we've given away a whole bunch of money on this stream. It just is about the support on the channel. If the support on the channel is correct and the vibes are right, we do giveaways. If we are not getting the support that we need and the one that we want, gotta wait for the giveaways for when shit's popping. Did they accept it yet? Bonkers. I was on a ride while you boys are sitting still. I've been on a high while you boys are on the pills. And God forbid I die, man, you boys ain't on the wheel. Yeah. Hey. Cold world, baby girl, but I ain't from the Ville. Cold world, baby girl, but I ain't from the Ville. Not a politician. Todo lo que tú me piensas. Yeah. Niggas try to copy sound, but they never had to feel. Lucy and Amia just like Kobe and Shaquille, but we never even chill. And that's the reason going independent, it just never had a pill. Plus I blew up independent, blew up independent. I bought her an apartment, so I knew it like a tenant. All the verses tailor-made for you to get offended. It was never unintended. String her ass along, I'll thread her through the needle. Backyard Tiger Woods worthy for the eagle. Number 2 and 3 is like Madonna. Alright boys, we're gonna start executing on a trade. Don't execute until I tell you guys to blow the whistle. That makes no sense, but
I'm ahead of my time, sometimes years out. So the powers that be won't let me get my ideas out. And that make me want to get my advance out and move to Oklahoma and just live in my answers.
¿Qué le parece Zamora?
Kanye step away from the lime. Like when I was on the grind in the 1-9-9-9 before model chicks was been over.
All right. Come down aggressively right now, please. Come down aggressively right now, please. Come down aggressively right now. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Yes, come down, bitch. Come down, bitch. Come down, come down, come down. Hold on, I handle it. Don't stop panicking, stay calm. Shorties at the door cause they need more inspiration for their life, they souls and they songs. I might not like this trade yet. I might not like this trade yet. The reason that I love it is because this is the trade that I sent yesterday, basically. Yesterday we were at the same exact level when I sent the long, which is like around here. I was at 183,300. I was around here. And I said long, and I went long. So we've had the pop right here. We're back at the same level where we had the pop. We've gone long before here before. Really recently before. Yesterday, New York morning before. So a nice little 30 pip stop loss. Little 30 pip stop and drop. Pop and lock.
Get your weapons wrong, they only killing time. Another second gone. I heard your man at home. Now you melatonin, but you acting young.
Alright, fuck it. I think we're gonna have to start hopping into the trade because it's valid. It's a valid stop loss. I mean, we might experience a little bit of drawdown. London has fallen. The London Bridge has fallen. I'm just scared that this was the impulse, but nonetheless, we're gonna go with it, boys. Start executing. Execute, 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 execute. Execution is key. Stop loss is 183,060. 360, 060. 183,360, 060. I'm gonna just send it to the admin free group. Oh, I could just grab it from my peso signals because this is almost the same thing that got sent yesterday. Boys, do not go high leverage, please. It is NFP. Give you guys yourselves a chance for when price resets itself. Go 0.5%, please. Go 0.5%. Go 0.5%. Target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio for the full percent. Don't be greedy today, boys. No greed today. 0.5% risk means that we could potentially raise our stop loss. That is going to be my strategy to not getting stopped out. I am willing to risk 1%, right, boys? But I am making clear that we are in 0.5%. 0.5% risk. Extending stop loss. Oh, what the? Early drawdown. We're gonna experience early drawdown right now. I see it coming. I mean, it's there. It's evident. It's there. It's coming. Price action is going downwards. I'm expecting a little bit more downward momentum. Nonetheless, I think our support level is very well placed. I potentially will if I see price. So if price comes down to our level of support slowly, like I don't care if it comes down aggressively to the halfway down to here, right? It's fine. I don't mind if it trades around this area. But if it comes down to being like 10, 20 pips away from our stop loss, 10 pips away from our stop loss, and it comes down slowly with no momentum, I'm going to extend our stop loss a little bit just in case, you know, it just needed a little bit of time to breathe and then it pops up to the strong side aggressively. Because this is what this area does. If we look at this area where our stop loss is basically placed, it's an area where we've seen huge levels of rejections. I mean, when we look at this right here, this is bullish price action, right? This is a support that got formed, liquidity grab right here, and then everything's just been forming up to the top side. Very ugly ripple effect, but man, it's just higher level of support, main level of resistance. So even if we start trading down here, man, I have true confidence that we're going to go bullish by the end of, you know, London session getting towards New York session. So I'm getting myself in the trade early. I'm getting myself in the trade in a position where, I mean, if we got the bias correct of the night, we're most likely not going to get stopped out. We're most likely going to just go to take profit, right? Once we hit the 101, we're going to be up half a percent. So we're easily just going to be able to target the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, target the NFP, man. If we're up 30, 40 pips before NFP, we're stop loss to break even. Let it run. Let NFP comes. If NFP comes and takes our trade and flies with it, brother, go and get yourself a new fucking car that same fucking day. That's what I like doing with NFP. I like putting myself in a position where, man, I could potentially catch huge move. Did I send this to the wrong thing? No, I didn't. I sent it to everybody.
I live in my bag, I'm showing my ass. Fully loaded, it gotta be fast. Hit the gas, get away from my past.
Your man's a crash, your partner crash, your hoe can smash. Hell yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm so ahead of these niggas, no Matilda. Yeah, I know Maybach extended, yeah, them sticks in there. Yeah, I know these niggas be hating on me. I'm in a welfare, stop tripping. Sick baby, he flip it and live in death. It's Jeffries, I spin it, no pinch.
I agree. I'm about to get that early drawdown. Ugh, I hate that. Nonetheless, price isn't moving, and I decided on my bias. Me looking at this price action, this looks like an inverted head and shoulders. Looks like a liquidity grab. Looks like this is the impulse. This is the correction. Regardless of this being a little bit of a bearish flag, I think that this is the correction. Regardless of this being a bearish flag, impulse, correction, impulse, I know that the higher time frame says higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're going to form a higher low, respect this low, and then make a higher high. It's a high probability trade, and we're with the trend. Have a valid stop loss. There's nothing more you could ask for, boys. There's nothing more you can ask for. That's the way trading goes. Take your emotion out the trade by not over risking, not under leveraging, not over leveraging, finding that perfect risk amount where when you're in profit, you're not going to wish you were leveraging more. When you're in drawdown, you're not going to wish you were leveraging less. Find that perfect number, apply it, see how beautiful it fucking feels to be in a trade, you know, psychology-less, you know, not tripping. And thank you guys for supporting the channel, boys. I'm going to take time while we're not doing anything on the stream to truly appreciate and thank all of you guys. I'm reading the names right now to just always be remembering whoever is here. Thank you guys truthfully for being here every single night. It's fucking awesome. You know, I could come get on and trade, and I got like a whole little community, a whole little family to be with the whole time. Shit feels amazing, actually. Amazing, amazing, amazing. How's your golf student, Lambo Raul? Hello. The boy's swinging. Boy's swinging. He needs to. I think the best way to get better at golf is to play with better people. Boy needs to play with some better people. People he play with suck ass. He's the best one. You feel me? You don't ever want to be the best one in anything you do, and you know you don't want to be the best guy in the room. You don't want to be the smartest guy in the room either. Don't ever want to be the smartest guy in the room. You don't ever want to be the best guy in the room. Why? Because then you're the target, and also it doesn't give you room to learn. Put yourself in the room when you got a whole bunch of people that know a little bit more than you. Put yourself, you know, and you start and you perform a little bit better. Yo, fucking trade's not going anywhere, bro. Early drawdown. This looks like early drawdown. I think I'm gonna come into early drawdown right now. Boys, there's a very high chance I'm gonna extend the stop loss. So if you guys are over leveraging right now and you guys are not ready to, like, this has to be, if you guys are gonna risk $500 today, if you guys are gonna risk $100 today, make sure you risk half of that right now in this first 30 pips, because we might extend the stop loss. I'm telling you guys right now, I'm gonna make it very clear. Might extend the stop loss, might extend the stop loss, might extend the stop loss. You know, if I'm saying it, it's because I feel like that's a potential target that we might bounce. Because I don't want to just reach this level right here, break it, and bounce a little bit more. I'd rather just fucking, you know, I'll risk the full percent. I'll risk my $1,000. I said I hit. Aha, I hit. GBP news in 1 hour. Wow, that's going to be annoying. That's probably why we're not moving. That is probably why we are not moving right now. The Kenyan Australian scalper. Wait, the what? Kenyan Australian. Wait. Is Kenya in? I'm just kidding. How's everything, brother? Where you from? Where you from? How'd you get to the channel? Speak your mind. What broker do I use? All of them, brother. Majority of them and all of them. That's the sad truth. Jerry the Flippo! What a name, dude. Fucking love saying that. Maybe did they accept it? That seems like a no. I'm from Kenya, living in Australia. Oh shit. Who could have guessed? You're from Mozambique. You were in Australia just a month ago. Man, I've never been to Australia. Is it true that those kangaroos be aggressive as hell? And they be grabbing dogs and shit?
I hate order for it. Like, I'm so hungry.
Babe, if you would have gone, it would have been here by now.
Huh?
Si hubiese ido, hubiese estado acá ya la comida. If you would have gone, you would have... No, I said if you would have gone to like yourself.
No, they're changing shift because they do.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give up and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness.
He's a bitch ass.
I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I need
Fuck that dude.
and they wanna see me pick back up. Well, where'd I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things. Now I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my shirt cause I'm just mobbing like that.
Ordering food sucks at this time. Yo, this thing need to start moving, boy. Give us some. A flippo. Yo, these trades suck being in, dude. When just nothing's happening. When it brings stop loss to break even, man. When we like got 101 risk reward ratio, bro. We're gonna go through early drawdown. That's a confirmation right there. Drawdown's coming right now, boys. If you guys are in profit, you guys don't want to experience drawdown, I could advise you guys to get out the trade right now and catch it later. If you guys don't mind the drawdown like I don't, because you guys are managing risk, stay in the trade with me. You're in a sell, dear. Oh, well, I think your sell, over leveraged sell might potentially hit for a little bit, but nonetheless, take your profits early, boys, because this thing's gonna flip. Stop playing with the kid. We're 100% win rate for this month, so stop playing with the kid. There's the early drawdown I was talking about, though. Here in USD/JPY buys, so that helps me. That helps my bias. No, I know you're in a sell. I understood the first time. Oh, my head. Draw down, man. Fake out sell with continuation flag burst up, potentially. I mean, we have our stop loss is very far away. We're not even like 1/10. We're like 1/8 to our stop loss, maybe 1/9. Not a good time to trade, so I suppose. Ammon, it's not a good time to trade, boys. It's not the best time to trade when there's not a lot of volume and not a lot of clear stuff happening, especially with the London Open. Nonetheless, we're still here. The stream's not going to last much longer either. Where's the 5K giveaway? We have to reach a certain amount of likes for the 5K giveaway. We haven't even reached 100. We're supposed to reach 125. So until we start hitting that goal like we used to, I mean, every time we used to hit that goal, we used to do the giveaway. I've done hundreds of giveaways on this channel. Last giveaway we did was about a month ago. We gave away goddamn $350. 2 different winners. So yeah, boys. I don't even know if I'm going to be on the stream much longer. I mean, the trade is there. You guys know the trade. I'd be active on Discord. But, like, there's not much more that we're going to do besides hit take profit here, hit stop loss here, and then, you know, keep on holding. My dog, Eric. My dog, Eric. Boys, if you guys have not been here before, make sure you guys subscribe and check out the Bullish Lifestyle spreadsheet. I don't know if anybody could send the spreadsheet link right now. This is a spreadsheet that tracks all our trades that we take on live stream and send to the Discord channel. If you guys are not in the Discord channel, make sure you guys join the Discord. Look at the links in the description right now. You guys will find the Discord down below. You will find, I'm going to send the spreadsheet as well right now. The spreadsheet is there as well, so if you guys look at the bottom of the spreadsheet, you guys can't see it on this screen because it's blocked off, but you will be able to find a little bar that you could flip through all the months. See, this is the month of April. It shows you how much wins we took, how many losses we took, shows you the break even, shows you the pip count. Ignore the pip count because the pip counts were off. Whenever I take gold trades, it counts the pips like wrong, for say. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. All the trades we send to the Discord and all the trades that we take on live stream are logged right there. We only take one trade a session per live stream, so that's why potentially I'm going to get off to the fact that you guys know the trade that is for the live stream. It's also logged in the admin signals right now if you guys are not completely aware of what the stop loss is and what the take profit is. Potentially gonna extend stop loss. That's why I made it clear to make sure you guys hop in 0.5%. Price action is not too clear right now. There's gonna be news in an hour. This could easily just be the loss. I mean, we're like I said, we're 100% for this month. So I mean, we're risking half the profits basically, even less because I took a 5 lot yesterday. I won a 15 lot. This is a 5 lot. Yeah, boys. I mean, like I said again, truly appreciate everybody who's been here since the beginning. People like AJ, people like fucking Arnold, Almond. Y'all the best, brother. Y'all really make trading fun. What happened to the Zoom sessions? They will be back. The Zoom sessions, we promised our VIP members that starting next week we will have 1 to 2 sessions a week. 100% every Friday we will have one, and that Zoom session will be from like the crossover from London to New York, because we will be able to live stream both of them. That's going to be with Miguel as well, both of us. And then so besides the VIP right now is literally fucking butt cheap, and you get my signals, Miguel's signals, and our EA's signals, which has been performing amazingly. So right now the value for the VIP is there, and then we're gonna add in the Zoom sessions 1 and 2 a week. Yeah, boys. So from Aruba, brother. Shout out from Aruba, brother. Man, Aruba's such an... I had some really good friends when I was little from Aruba. They were fucking awesome people. Fucking shout out to Aruba as well, brother. Shout out to Aruba. Thanks for the support. I'm saying take care. So he knows that I want to get off. I like the fact that this is also a down channel, side channel, up channel. Right, one of my favorite candlestick formations. I mean, we came off of a huge rally. I mean, I don't care if we're, there's bearish price action being formed right now. I think that higher time frame will win otherwise and show us that we need to go bullish. Yeah, boys. Make sure you guys are paying attention to the trade. Make sure you guys are paying attention to the Discord. I'm going to be talking to you guys in the Discord. If you guys want any information, if you guys want to ask any questions about the challenge passing that we do, make sure you guys go to the Discord, go to the left-hand side, and look for where it says inquiry for challenge passing. It says open ticket. You guys click open ticket, and you guys can ask questions there, and we can have a conversation. And you guys will be able to be responded to, and your questions will be answered as soon as possible. I'm gonna start getting off right now, boys. You guys know the trade that we're in. This thing, I don't think it's gonna hit our stop loss. This thing looks like it's gonna melt. It's gonna come up to here, and it's gonna bounce. This is not gonna hit our take profit probably till news. News is in another 30 minutes, and then after that we have. I mean, this is. I don't know, dude. Just after that we have to wait. We have to wait for 8:30 New York session, boys. New York session. We have to wait for this NFP to clean up price action. I don't believe that we're gonna just melt straight to our stop loss though. It's not. I don't see that happening. So, boys, much love to y'all. Thank y'all for all the support. Make sure you guys follow us on all our links. IG. I just barely sent the. I didn't. I'm gonna send the IG link. I'm gonna send my personal Instagram link. I'm gonna send the VIP link. I'm gonna send the Discord. I'm gonna send. Spreadsheet. Told you it's coming back. It's not ready to fall. It's not gonna melt out. It's gonna just range side to side. We haven't been using the Telegram much. Arnold, thank you so much though. Boys, much love to y'all. I apologize, we're not. It's Friday. It's NFP. Usually Fridays are much shorter, and then it being NFP is gonna make this live stream even shorter. Me being in drawdown is gonna make me run away even faster. Just kidding. Boys, I'm not scared of this drawdown. I mean, I told you guys that we're gonna go into drawdown early. So if you guys don't want to go through the drawdown with me, make sure you guys hop out. Make sure you guys are risking 0.5. Do not risk more than 0.5% risk because we're potentially gonna raise our stop loss. I'm expecting these lows to get respected. Man, we have a ways to go for our stop loss to get hit. I doubt we're just gonna melt through all these levels of support out of nowhere with no news. There's no way we're just going to melt through all this for no reason. If anything, we're moving to the downside with no momentum, right? Moving to the downside with no momentum. The second momentum comes, we have a higher probability of flipping bullish than going bearish. So that's hopefully what's going to happen here. And then this down channel, side channel, up channel will be able to play. Boys, much love to you guys. I fucking adore you guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best that I've ever had. Peace.
Real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything, other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever, I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best. You the best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had. Best I ever had. I said you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Oh yeah. See, this the type of joint you gotta dedicate to somebody. Just make sure they that special somebody. Young Money. Know who you are. I got you.
Who needs love? So who needs love? Hey. When I got these diamond VVS's on my neck piece, big pointers all in my bezel, call it my bestie. I spend 100,000 all counting. Money make me happy every time I count it. Who needs love? When I come around flexing, I don't need no loving from any one of my exes. I don't need no stressing, phone call, texting. Don't kiss me, bitch, kiss my necklace. Who needs love? Hey. Baby, who needs love? Hey. I got 20/20 vision when I see her. Put up in the lounge, shooter, put up in the bill. Ripples in my denim, cause a young nigga was flexing. And if we ended early, baby girl, and